Welcome to this meditation. So this session for you all is going to be about bringing calm as well as reducing anxiety and stress. Thought I would start with a little bit of a story about myself. So prior to getting into energy healing, I struggled with anxiety, stress, and panic attacks. There was even a time when I was prescribed both Zoloft and Xanax because my systems were completely out of whack. And so I understand what it's like to have panic attacks and lose control of your body, of your senses. And once I got into energy healing, which was a little later on, I haven't had anxiety. And so I want to share with you a really, really wonderful sequence tonight that's going to activate our parasympathetic nervous system, which helps our body to relax. And when our body relaxes, so does our mind. And then also with it to calm our sympathetic nervous system, which releases anxiety and stress. So I'll be guiding us through 6 different holds. And the first hold is going to be on the back of the neck in the occipital bone. So where that is beneath the skull. You're going to find a little cavity. So bringing your fingers onto the neck, pressing up into the skull. Yep, it might be tender, and that's okay because this is a very, very, very powerful point to activate our parasympathetic nervous system. So we're going to be holding this, so then you can once you find the point, you can bring your hands onto your neck, which also in turn is supporting to calm our vagus nerve. And even bring your head down to relax. We're going to be holding this point for a couple of minutes, so get comfortable. Find your zen and begin to find your breath if you haven't already. Breathing in the nose and out the mouth. And yeah, drop your head. Drop your head down, pressing into this point, allowing your body to begin to take over. Again, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is going to bring a nice warmth through the body. And you will take a deep, deep sigh. And when you take that deep sigh, relax a little bit more because it means you've activated that point. So breathing and receiving the brilliance of your body. Witnessing your heart rate, your heartbeat slow down. Circulation improves. Calmness floods through your being. Welcoming peace, welcoming calm. Welcoming energy to flow down the body, down the legs and the feet. Relaxing into the relaxation as your body takes over, the nerves calm. As you begin to come into homeostasis. Taking 5 more breaths here. Feeling your brilliance, your peace, your body turned on to heal and to balance. And then keeping your hands on your neck, I want you to pull your hands down the neck, and we're going to come in to the notch above our clavicle bone. Holding here. Bring your hands however you like, but really just pressing into this cavity above the clavicle bone. And here we're going to be calming the sympathetic nervous system, which is our fight or flight. So just noticing any tension or anxiety dissolving out the body, relaxing and receiving the calmness that is flooding into you now. Welcoming peace, welcoming calm, welcoming energy to flow down the arms, out the hands. Even like you're connecting with loving touch onto your body. Letting the shoulders relax. The hips opening up. Welcoming calm. Taking 5 more breaths here. Maybe taking a deep breath in the nose, exhaling out the mouth. Relaxing into the warmth of your body, the peace in the mind. And then keeping your hands on your body, come down a little lower onto the sternum, onto our heart center, onto the location of our thymus. Thymus supports our immune system. And also we're connecting in with the energy of love. So welcoming the warmth of love to bathe you from the back. And welcoming to come down the limbs, out the hands. And then coming down the legs and out the feet. Connecting in with your sovereignty, feeling your centeredness. As the nervous system is restoring and balancing, connecting in with your center. Taking 5 more breaths here. Closing your eyes, welcoming the bliss. As even more tension dissolves out the shoulders. Maybe even the belly begins to loosen. Letting go of any worry, of any stress. Embodying peace and calm. And then next, we're going to come down to our wrists. You're going to take your middle finger and your thumb in between the radius and the ulna bone, right where they divide. You can rest your hand in your lap as well. I will keep it up for demonstration. And notice if you're taking a deeper breath, maybe a sigh. Ah. Welcoming the regulation of your emotions. Relaxing into the balancing of your hormones. Clearing out that cortisol. And welcoming peace, serenity. Maybe a smile comes to your face as the relaxation promotes bliss, happiness, feeling content. enough. You are enough. And then bringing your hand to the other side, middle finger and thumb to the wrist crease, right between the ulna and the radius bone, right where they divide. Breathing and receiving your body as it restores and balances. Breathing easy. Relaxing into the relaxation. Five more breaths here. Allowing your breath to slow down. Witnessing the space in between the exhale and the inhale. Witnessing the space you've created in your body, in your mind. And last breath together in the nose and out the mouth, making a nice sigh. Ah. And then for our final pose, just restoring the work we've done, coming into the lower belly, beneath the belly button, just anchoring in, grounding in the restoration of your nervous system. Holding on to our Buddha belly. Grounding in the session we just completed of restoring your magnificent nervous system, helping you re-find your center, and also giving you mad kudos for taking this time for self-care. Let's take 5 more breaths into our belly together. As you praise yourself, have gratitude for you, taking this time to meditate. And maybe crunching your toes and your fingers. As I bring my palms up to honor you, taking this time to meditate and naturally heal yourself. Many blessings. Namaste.